Breakfast just showed up. Fruits. Nice. Magically appears. You want to know how that happens? I have invisible servants. Checking emails here. Here's the one from Buff. I have a question. Is it possible to start at ground zero and in little time achieve success? Buff, thank you. Well, Buff, without knowing more about you, I'm going to say the generic short answer is yes. If, here comes this, if anything can be achieved if you want it bad enough. So you gotta ask yourself the question, how bad do you want success? Now, do you want success or do you need success? Hey, one thing is, for a lot of people, it's simply not enough. Yeah, I want this, I want that. Right? But or they actually like have a burning desire to actually want. You don't just want, you need this. Like, you need to be successful. You're willing to do whatever it takes to actually achieve it. I mean, whatever. Like I said, anything is possible if you want it bad enough. And so that's the first thing. Burning desire to actually want it. And the second thing is, can you overcome the negativity that's going to face you along the way? Because when you take this path, you're going to be bombarded, or any path to success. When you take this path, you're going to be bombarded with all sorts of negativity. People's going to say, nah, you can't do it. It's a scam. Like, why waste your time? Come back and have a beer. And unfortunately, a lot of this negativity is going to come from your friends and family members. And those are the worst kind because they think they're looking out for you. But the thing is, they only know what they know. That's the thing. People know what they know, right? So, and we were brought up to follow a certain track. You go to school, get a job. You know, that's the path to success. So when someone tells you that there are other ways, like the .com lifestyle, and other people don't know about, they go, no, it's a scam, don't do it. You need to overcome that. So first of all, if you want it bad enough, you want to do whatever it takes to get it done, and if you can overcome the negativity that will be bombarded on you, you can achieve success. So, long-winded answer, but that's basically the answer. Is it possible to start from ground zero, with little or no time to achieve success? The answer is yes, if you can meet those two requirements. A little comment here from yesterday's video about looking rich versus being rich. This person replied, there is nothing wrong with looking rich. True. No, honestly, I totally agree. There's nothing wrong with looking rich. However, if looking rich prevents you from being rich, then something definitely wrong. And unfortunately, in our society, most people, and I'm serious here, most people would rather look rich than actually be rich. We live in a society of keeping up with the Joneses, of one-upmanship. And so, and unfortunately, this consumption mentality keeps everyone broke. Even people with high-paying jobs, because literally say that, man, if I were making $100,000 a year or $200,000 a year, I would make it. But understand, look at the job that pays that much, the 100 to 200, the six-figure a year job. They're not blue collars. They're not generally, working at McDonald's or whatever. But they don't say doctors, lawyers, executive position. But then you look at the cost of maintaining that executive look, so to speak. Like a doctor, you need the suit, you need the BMW or the Mercedes-Benz or the Tesla. Right? You need to live in a gated community because all your fellow lawyers live in a gated community. You live to go to the country club, because they're all at the country club. You need to play golf and stuff. So they're spending all their cash flow. They're spending all the cash flow to maintain the look of being rich, being successful. But if all the cash flow goes to maintaining the lifestyle, then are they building any real wealth? They're building zero wealth. Zero wealth. This is why the average millionaire, like in the book The Millionaire Next Door, the reason they're a millionaire is because they don't have to maintain that look. The average millionaire lives in a middle class neighborhood driving a used pickup truck or a used sedan. That is it. I mean, the image you see of the super rich people with the multiple houses and the cars and stuff, that is another category altogether. Those are the glittering rich. Those are the people like Bill Gates, Michael Dell. they cannot spend their money. Like no matter how much they spend, their asset is still worth so much money. Like if you take a look at Bill Gates, he's worth $80 billion. I mean, 10% of even if you can get 5% return on that money, $80 billion, that's $4 billion a year in income, right? So you look at that, it doesn't matter how much you spend, he'll never be able to spend it all, right? But for most people, they want to look like the glittering, they want to look like the glittering, but it's okay to look it, but if it prevents you from being it, then there's a problem. Another thing on the same topic, came across this, because of this societal norm, it's quite funny because they profile. I remember there was a study once that they profile, presentation or the look count. That they show the successful guy, like dressed up suits and everything with the fancy cars, and then they show a typical millionaire next door dressed like me, and they ask the girl, who would you rather date? Who do you think is most successful? Who do you think is more attractive? That kind of stuff, and it's the other guy because he looks rich even though he's not rich. So be careful who you pick. Not sure you can see this, but there are workers on my roof right now. Senior roadies. That's nice. All these senior citizens going out on a bike ride. Gotta stay in shape so they live longer. Better than living on Obamacare. Happy dining. Oh, get a free drink. Pay cash. Okay. Hey, John. How you doing?
What's going on?
Good.
Okay.
All right. Today's lunch is at Happy Dining. Happy Dining has what they call the dry pot. The dry pot is basically a pot of food. Literally, a pot of food. That's on this burner. On the burner, right? You really got a drink? You really got a drink? That's great.
Water. Oh, wow.
What is this? Is this your drink?
That's hers.
How you got a drink? What drink is that? What? Okay, it's one of these special tea, I guess. Placemats with advertising. So either they're actually making money from the placemat or they're getting a placemat for free because they're being paid for by the realtor. I don't know. What do you think?
I think it's free.
You think it's free? I you know what? Depends on how many they go through, how many customers they get here. Like either she's obviously paying for the placemat, and the restaurant's probably getting it for free.
Well,
right?
this is 3 different businesses.
Oh, really? So they actually might be making money from it. You're saying? See, proof you can make money from advertising. You know who else does it?
Who's that?
Who else does it? The Cheesecake Factory. They have advertising on their menu. Cheesecake Factory. You look for the menu.
Wow.
Coca-Cola and a few other. They have great brand advertising on their menu. So this is same thing. Hell.
You do what you gotta do it.
You're getting paid for that T-shirt, right?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. See, there you go. See?
Exactly.
That's how it works.
I should wear a johnshout.com t-shirt.
That's right. You get a free T-shirt. You won't get paid for it, but the dry pot will be placed on this stove type thing, right? And in there is some kind of alcohol-based gelatin. We're gonna light that up, and it's gonna heat up the hot pot. So we got one for me, one for John, and my wife is eating a lot, so she got the big pot.
Nice.
Yeah. I don't know. And you notice it says JS. I'm not sure that means anything because here it's called Happy Dining. Obviously they stole it from somebody.
Yes.
There you go. It came from another place called Just Service. I don't know.
Just shabu shabu.
Just shabu shabu.
That's what it is.
It should say HD. But oh well. On fire, literally.
You guys need rice?
Oh yeah.
Yes. Yes, rice is good. Look at that. So, John ordered the beef tendon, and check. This is only mild, but I don't know, John. It looks pretty spicy, man.
That looks pretty spicy.
Oh, pretty spicy. And look at it. Heat coming up with that burner. It's so cool.
I'm gonna do a video.
Look at that. It's starting to boil. It's cooking. It's a cooking. Smell it. I wish we had smell-o-vision so you guys can smell this. It's really good. It smells good.
Nice background.
Yeah. John's trying to get a good Instagram. All right, there you go. No, see, my one is medium spicy. Your one is mild, but they look almost the same level of spiciness.
They look the same level of spiciness,
Almost.
alright?
All right. So here's my wife's one. I don't know. My wife must really be hungry because she ordered this big pot. Oh, okay. Because you're sharing it. All right. This is lamb,
Man, he
right?
gives
Oh
you a
my
hard
God!
time.
Look at the size of that. That's lamb, huh? Okay. Enjoy the lamb. I don't know. I'll stick with my pork, and I'll take some of your tendon.
Please.
So this is individual size, and that is the share size. There you go. And we all get rice with it too. And of course, I gotta go for the free Coke. See, if you pay cash and then you WeChat this out to them, they give you a free drink. So I'm taking advantage of that. It's really good. Good levels kick to it. Nice and spicy.
I'm scared.
Lots of flavor. Food for two ladies.
Yeah, we can pack home.
Yeah, I think you're packing some at home.
No, I got my own here. I gotta deal
You're
with.
definitely packing at
Besides
home.
that, that's gonna be a lot